In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the autoplay videos option on Canva. Canva has become an indispensable tool for many of us, providing powerful features for creating beautiful designs easily and efficiently. One of these features is the ability to include autoplay videos in your designs, which can really bring your projects to life, especially if you're crafting social media content, digital presentations, or even promotional videos. Let's dive right in and discover how to enable the autoplay feature for videos in Canva. So, first things first, you'll want to open Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, either select an existing design that you want to work on or start fresh with a new design. No matter your choice, you'll want to navigate to the page where you plan to insert your video. With your design ready, head over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the Uploads section, where you can upload your video file by simply dragging and dropping it or by clicking the Upload button and selecting your video from your computer. If you've just uploaded your video and can't see it immediately, don't worry, it might take a moment to process depending on the size of the file. Once the video is uploaded and readily visible in your library, click on it to add it to your current design. You'll notice that it appears right where your playing cursor is, which is pretty handy. Now, with your video placed, you'll want to click on it to bring up the video editing toolbar located above your design. Here, you'll have different options for customization. The crucial part is enabling the autoplay feature. Within the toolbar, look for a playback setting. If it's not immediately obvious, it might be labeled differently or grouped with video options, but explore those options until you see how to manage playback settings. When you find it, you should see a toggle or checkbox for autoplay. Go ahead and enable that to ensure the video will play automatically whenever someone views your design. While setting autoplay is relatively straightforward, taking a moment to preview your design with this new feature enabled can save you a ton of stress later. Simply click the play button located in the top menu to watch it from start to finish. Pay attention to the video's starting point and check if there's any awkward pause or delay when it begins. Adjust the positioning or timing slightly if needed to smooth out the flow. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully set your video to autoplay in Canva. This feature is fantastic for capturing attention right away and keeping your audience engaged, whether in a social media post or during a live presentation. Remember, the key is to experiment a little to find what complements your project's style best. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks to elevate your Canva skills. Happy designing!